She's so confused. There's an orange hen who's like so confused. She's like, she's like all confused, and then there's down there who's she? Come on, get through. We need to do this. Oh my gosh. That was a huge one. You did it, girl. Not wanting in. Come on back in. That's the end of it. She hopped right back in. There's 3 of them in here now. They all want that one egg. This girl's like, help. Hi. They're really calm when I'm on my knees for the moment. Oh, hi. This is the one that just laid an egg. This girl wants it. Right there. You got your face in it. Hey. She wanted that egg. Your face is in the camera.